Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn keyboard online. First, find a comfortable keyboard and a quiet space to practice. Good posture is crucial. Sit upright with your feet flat and wrists relaxed to avoid strain. Begin by placing your fingers on the home row keys, ASD for your left hand and JKL for your right. This foundational position is key to developing muscle memory and touch typing efficiently. Once you're set up, start practicing individual letters and simple words. Many excellent online typing tutors offer structured lessons, guiding you through each key and providing instant feedback. Remember, accuracy is far more important than speed when you're just starting out. Building a solid foundation of correct finger placement and rhythm will naturally lead to faster typing later on. To improve, regularly take timed typing tests to monitor your progress and identify areas for improvement. Practice typing full sentences and paragraphs to develop a natural flow and rhythm. Pay close attention to any keys or letter combinations that consistently slow you down. Focused practice on these specific areas will significantly boost your overall typing speed and accuracy over time. For advanced techniques, incorporate exercises that focus on numbers and symbols, as these are often overlooked. Consistency is vital. Aim for at least 15 minutes of daily practice to reinforce your skills. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural and effortless typing will become. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be a typing pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.